What's up guys, Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with another paintless dent repair video. Now we're working on a Toyota Sienna today, but I wanted to show you some upcoming repairs to make sure you subscribe to our channel. Look at this Tesla Model 3 and the damage that we have to fix. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified when this video actually comes out. Let me show you the damage on the Sienna. Let's spend a few moments going over the difficulties of the damage we have in front of us. Some may say this is an easy and small dent. Now, the latter may be true, but easy is not the case. If you're new to the channel, then welcome, stay a while, watch a video or two, and you'll probably understand there's a common thread in my videos. I say it time and time again, every dent is different and may require a completely different approach. Here I want to show you what we call indirect and direct damage. Now, direct damage is exactly the lowest part of the dent typically, and the indirect damage is all of that energy and how it dispersed throughout that panel. And this one's hard to see, but hopefully I can point it out for you guys. So right on the very edge, you'll see a crown. It's very slight because it's a body line area, and so it has rigidity, so it didn't move too much, but you can see that the edge has been moved and it's keeping this damage tight, and so glue pulling is just not working. Also, by doing that, I kind of locked up the top side of that dent, and so all I can do now is move that bottom edge, and then I think that center will start to come up and give a little bit. Circling back around to the concerning issue is that 15-year-old original paint. Now, factory paint is the best. The preparation process that the manufacturer uses and the multi-million-dollar robots that paint so evenly and precise, there is no way you can replicate that. But paint that has been sun-beaten and probably ran through 100 car washes, it has its own patina and can be a bit fragile. Plus the rock chips scattered across the damage area. The aggression we typically use will probably cause damage, so we need to have a little more finesse behind our pushes. On this hood, we got lucky. We found two really good access holes, allowing us to snake behind that damage and work our magic. So the plan is we're gonna butter up the tip of our tool with the Glexo Magic Liquid Film Protector, and that's gonna give us a blunter push, exactly what we need to try to preserve this original paint. So we're just gonna dab a small layer of protection film, and we're gonna use this UV light to activate that resin to make sure it's hardened. That pretty much ensures that the entire tool is protected during our pushes. So enough talking, let's get started with this repair. As always, hopefully this has been informative, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.